So today we are going to be working on using different strategies to add fluently within 20. Our mathematical practice is model math, so you'll be showing how you use different strategies. And then our vocabulary is the parts of an addition sentence. So we can see the two numbers we add together are each called an addend. And then the answer we get from adding those two numbers together is the sum. Take a minute to think of some of the strategies we've used to solve math problems in class. Did you think of strategies like math drawings, number lines, and making 10? If you did, then you're right. We're going to be using strategies like those today to play a game of math tic-tac-toe. So this game of math tic-tac-toe is a little bit different than your regular tic-tac-toe because instead of X's and O's, we're using numbers. And so at home you can play this game too if you just get a sheet of paper and you can draw your tic-tac-toe board, and then you can either make some number cards like I did out of paper, or you can just write them too. That works just as good. So to play this game, the goal is to get 3 numbers in a row or diagonal, so row, column, or diagonal, that equal 15. That's our magic number. So we're going to have 3 addends that we want to equal 15. And then I have this scratch paper area so that I can use my strategies to solve my problems. So to play, you can either play by yourself or with somebody. But if you're playing by yourself like I am, the first person will just put a number down wherever they want. So if I put a 3 here, and then I'm going to pick my next number and place that wherever I want. So I'm going to put that right in the middle. And now I see I have a 3 and an 8. And we know the goal of the game is to get 3 in a row that equal what number? 15. So if I know I have 3 and 8, then I know I have 3 plus 8 plus a mystery number, and I need to get to 15. So one strategy I could use for this would be, what do you think? What could you do? Okay, if you say you can do math drawing, then that would be perfect. So there's other ways we can do this, but I'm going to use my math drawing, and I'm going to draw 3 dots, 8 dots, and then I know I need to get up to 15 dots, so I'm trying to find my mystery number. So first I can add these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I know I have 11 dots here. I can go ahead and label that. And now I need to find out how many more I need to get to 15, or what number I should put here to win my tic-tac-toe game. So I'm going to go ahead and count on. I know I have 11. Let's see how many more dots I need to add to get to 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I know this is 3 dots. This is 8 dots. How many more dots did I add? 4. So I know my mystery number is 4, and to win the game of tic-tac-toe, I need to find my 4 number card. And now I won. Perfect. So then over here, I can just write my full number sentence. 3 plus 8 plus 4 equals 15. Good job. And then the cool thing about this game is that it keeps going. So just because you win once, you can keep going and see how many times in one game you can win. So I can go over here and I can look at my other cards. And let's say I pick up a 2. And I can put this 2 anywhere I want. So I might put it right here. So then I have 3, 2, and a mystery number. Or I could even do 2, 8, and a mystery number. I'm first going to do this way. 3 plus 2 plus a mystery number equals 15. Okay? And I'm trying to find that mystery number, and this time I'm going to use a different strategy. Think about what strategy you could use to solve this. I'm going to go ahead and use a number line. And I know 3 plus 2 is 5. So I can draw my little lines. And for this one, I know I can start at 5 because I know when we add, our number always gets bigger. So I know I have 5 and then I need to get up to 15. So I'm going to label my number line up to 15. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now how can we use our number line to find our mystery number? If we have 5 and we want to know the other addend. Good. If you said that we can do count the number of jumps up to 15, you are correct. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it took 10 jumps, so I know my mystery number for this one is 10. Oh, but if I look at my cards, my numbers only go up until 9. So I don't have a 10 card because there's only 9 boxes in Tic-Tac-Toe. So I know that even though this number sentence is correct, it doesn't win the game. Okay, so then I can go on to my next one. Let's see if we can win again. I have 2 plus 8 plus a mystery number equals, we know we want our magic number 15. Okay, so now if I'm trying to find the number that goes here, what strategy could I use that would work especially well with this one? I'll give you a hint. It's the strategy we haven't used yet. Yep, we can make 10. What two numbers do you see here that make 10? You got it. The 2 and the 8 make 10. So then I can see 10 plus what number equals 15? So here, if you know your tens facts really well, then you know that 5 would go here. Or you could go back to one of your other strategies and you could draw your dots or a number line to find that missing addend. But good job if you knew that was 5. So then I can go and look for my 5 number card and put that one there. And now I have 2 winning tic-tac-toes. And then from here I could even keep going. If you want to play with somebody else, how that would look is the first person would put their card down, and then you could put your card down, and you go back and forth, so then the next person would put theirs down, and then the person that gets the third one that makes the 15 would get the point. So if you see these, I know 8 plus 1 is 9, and then I know it takes 6 more to get to 15, so if I put this one down, then I would get that point. And then the next person could go and they could try to find this one, and you could keep going back and forth like that. So this is a great game to do by yourself or with someone at your house, maybe your mom, dad, sibling, aunt, uncle, anybody. But you're trying to get to that magic number 15, and then you can use your different strategies to show how you got that. So I hope you guys have a lot of fun with this. I know I did playing it even if it was just myself. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Bye! Complete your exit ticket on a piece of paper and upload it to Class Dojo. Number 1. Add 8 plus 5. What strategy did you use? Show your thinking with words or math drawings. Number 2. What is the missing addend? What strategy did you use? Show your thinking with words or math drawings.